That's all. I just call my brother. I just do. I can call him yesterday. Get picture. Yeah, for come but go one kind sharp, you know. I see that babe. Hey, the babe, what I want to tell you that. See, babe, original. Babe, we arrange package. See picture.
The baby is fine.
Na fan girl. I say the boss man get money.
Yeah, they sharp.
See flyers, oh boy, see flyers. Hey, fine, well. Babe, arrange one day. Well fine. No be small thing. Woman boy, you like woman. Don't talk to me again, bro. If I don't like woman, why I like again?
Na woman born
like a color.
Na woman
born. Na 3 months old, we don't know. The plan know whether she will come maybe tomorrow or next. Mama, I call her first. Those are your fan guy, man. That's what they like.
Apart, you need
wait. The little.
Onogu.
Hello.
Hello, babe.
How are you? Yeah, I know you will be fine. Beautiful. I'm Alec Chamwan.
Babe.
How's your business?
Babe. Fine. It's only fine.
Ugly boy. Hey,
where are you that this one you are talking about?
Forget about that. It is the appreciation of your utility. So how far, according to go. I know that's na one idiot. So what of the the visiting of
our arrangement. Please, when do you want it?
Boom! As it no, you are having my key now. What of today? Get up.
Wow, I'm ready.
I'm over. Okay, what happened? I see. When you come to our junction, you know our junction?
No, I don't know.
Okay, when you come to Aguilera Junction,
Yes.
Then tell a bike man to bring you to number 27 Obu Obolisi Street.
Obu, hey, what kind of name is this? Where is that one located?
Just once you tell a bike man, tell him that you are going to Onyapa's compound. Yeah, he'll go.
Oh, baby. Okay, no problem. Hope you are ready.
Oh, but no, machine ready now, so it is sewing.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
See your face today.
Oh, that is the way I want to see your face. You know, we've been seeing on film.
My action duty. Handsome boy.
Oh, chinga munjatawa.
Hi, baby.
Oh, I'm making.
Sweet him.
I'm making. Look at the way you are driving me like a dress. Shake it, mama. Okay, now. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Oh yeah, Brazil. Woman not a cool now.
This one about the teeth now. I like that.
Look at Sam and the chin. See boys.
Take them easy. On a way to tell you. Take them easy.
Hello. In our junction.
Yeah.
Okay, the street, right? Hey, just start coming. I'm coming. No. You will see me now. I'm at Obu Police Street. Hey, start coming now. Start coming. Sure say no be this big wey get cure leg now they find the console. See, if na that girl be that, I go go now.
It's ringing. Hello? Where are you?
Hello, yeah. I'm hearing you now. Where are you?
I'm in that street.
I'm coming towards you now.
I'm in one shop. There's a green vehicle along beside the shop.
This is the green vehicle. I'm there in the front of the vehicle. Kefin Agwam.
Is it you? Hello?
Chineke me.
I am the one.
No, I am not the one. I don't know I was speaking with my mother. I don't know I was talking to my mother.
I go run leave am. Make she no try me.